teacher Christine. In this video, we will learn how to read words with the long A sound spelled as AI and AY. Are you ready to learn? Okay, let's get started. Since we are talking about long A sound, the sound of these letters AI and AY is not I. Instead, their sound is A. Just like the sound of the long A spelled as A and E in our previous lesson. How will you know if the spelling of the long A sound is an AI and if it is spelled as an AY? It's very simple. If you are going to read a word and the ending sound you can hear is not A but it's a different sound like C, L, B, or any other letters, that means the sound of the long A is spelled as AI. But if you can hear the ending sound as A itself and no other preceding sound, then the sound of the long A is spelled as AY. To understand it more, I am going to give you some examples. What is the name of this object? Yes, this is a nail. But before saying the sound of A, you're going to say first the sound of the beginning letter. The beginning letter is N with a sound of N. Next is the sound of letter AI, sound as A. And the sound of the letter L, sound as U. Now let's combine all the sounds. N, A, L becomes nail. As you can see, this word doesn't end with the A sound because it has an ending letter L. And since this word ends with the other sound and not A, therefore the long A sound is spelled as AI. N, A, L becomes nail. Again, kids. N, A, L becomes nail. How about if it goes like this? What is the name of this object? Yes, correct. This is a tray. A becomes tray. As you read this word, it only ends with the A sound and no other preceding sound because the ending letters are A and Y. That means the long A sound is spelled as AY. A becomes tray. Read it with me, kids. A becomes tray. Now let's try to read this one. What object is this? You're right. This is a toy train. A becomes train. Read it with me, kids. A becomes train. How about this one? Yes, you are right again. This is a clay. A becomes clay. Can you read it with me, kids? A becomes clay. What do you call this one? Very good. This is a chain. A becomes chain. Read it with me, kids. A becomes chain. And the last one, what part of the animal is this? You're so smart, kids. This is a tail. A becomes tail. Can you say it with me, kids? A becomes tail. Other examples of words with long A sound spelled as AI and AY are paint, rain, hay, pray, and rain. Great job, kids! That's all for today. Keep on learning and see you next time. Bye!